Okay, now how do we write the chemical formula from the ions? For example, we have three scenarios. First one is if we have ions of different value of integer for the charge. What's the integer? Here we have a 2. Here we have 1. So when writing formulas, we do not consider the charges, right? Only the integer, okay? So when we write formula, we crisscross the integer, okay? So for example, we have A2 positive, then B negative 1. It produced a compound called AB2. So that's our formula. So for example, let's say Fe, or the iron, we have 2 positive plus a chloride negative. If we crisscross this, right? We put the 1 here, we put the 2 here. So we have Fe, which is only has 1. If 1, hindi natin sinusulat. Then chlorine, which now has 2. So this is FeCl2. Okay? Now, next scenario is if we have same value of integer. For example, here we have a 2 and another 2. So if we crisscross, this becomes C2D2. But since this is similar terms, we can divide the coefficient by the integer itself, since they are the same. So we divide by 2, so it becomes CD, or there's an invisible 1 there. So remember, if 1 only, we do not write, right? So we have example here. Let's try the calcium. For example, we have the calcium, which has a charge of 2 positive, and the oxygen, which has a charge of 2 negative. So when we form the reaction, we do the crisscross. This calcium, since this is a 2, then oxygen, we have another 2, right? But then the integers are the same, so we can divide it. So this would lead to calcium, which is 1, then oxygen, which is also 1. And again, we do not write the 1. Here we have a calcium oxide. Okay? Next, for the third case, if we have different value of integer but can be divided to lowest term. So for example, in here, we do the crisscross. We have E4F2. Now, we can divide it by a common factor of 4 and 2, which is 2, right? So we divide it. The 4 divided by 2 will become 2. And then 2 divided by 2 will become just 1. Again, 1, so we do not write. For example, in here, this chromium has a charge of positive 6. Okay? If we add it to an oxygen with a charge of negative 2, again, when we do the crisscross, becomes chromium, we put the 2, and then oxygen, which will have a subscript of 6, right? Since these two are can be divided by a common factor, which is 2, right? So 2 divided by 2 is only 1. You do not need to write. Oxygen, 6 divided by 2 is now 3. That's your CrO3. Okay, so that's how to write formula or of the compound from your ions.